Hi, today we are going to demonstrate how Lightning Network operates by using an application from Google Play, which is available in iOS also, which is called Bluewallet. So Bluewallet is one of the first applications that allow you to use the Lightning Network of blockchain. So what you're going to do is search for Bluewallet in your Google Play or iOS, and then you can install the application. And let me open the application. Once you open the application, you can see that you can create a wallet. Of course, these transactions here should be empty because this is the second time I'm using this wallet. So right now, what I'm going to do is to create an HD wallet, which will be used in order to transfer Bitcoins from a normal address to this address. Then I'm going to create a Lightning Network wallet, and I'm going to move the Bitcoin from the Bitcoin wallet to the Lightning Network, and then from the Lightning Network I can pay an invoice based on Lightning Network. So let's first create a wallet. So you have the option here to create a Bitcoin wallet or a Lightning Network wallet. We will create both. So let's start with this here. Let's keep this name here, and then I will just click create wallet. So Bitcoin 1 HD wallet has been created, and now I'm going to create another wallet, and now it's gonna be a Lightning Network. So I will call this Lightning 1. Okay, so I click create. So right now I have two wallets, one Bitcoin 1 HD and another Lightning 1. So mention that this wallet here is an HD wallet. It's a normal address where you can send Bitcoin from your normal address. Let me go. If I click here, you can see that this is the wallet I've just created, and this is the Lightning wallet that has been created. So if I click here in the Bitcoin wallet, so in order to use this, if you click on the Bitcoin wallet, you can see that you can receive and send like a normal Bitcoin wallet. So you can use this address in order to receive Bitcoin like you normally receive Bitcoin. You click on the receive button, and it gives you an address. So you can just click here and copy it to your clipboard, or you can scan it through a QR code scanner. So here you can use this address to send your BTC. So for example, you can send like 0.0002 Bitcoin in order to test this wallet. So after you send that and the transaction has been confirmed, you will have a balance in this wallet. Okay, so please do this in order to load this balance with Bitcoin. And then what you can do is to transfer this balance from this wallet to your Lightning wallet to start using the Lightning Network. Let me go here. The transaction must be confirmed first. In order to be able to use the Lightning Network, you must fill this with some Bitcoins, okay? So after that, you just click on the Lightning Network. And then, in order to load this with some balance, you need to go to Manage Funds and then click Refill. Then it will tell you from what is the source that I can use to fill this Lightning Network wallet with Bitcoin. So you can click the Bitcoin wallet, the HD wallet, you have some balance inside. So for example, if I click here, then what it asks is how many Bitcoins I should load my Lightning Network with. So I click here like 0.2. Of course, I don't have this amount right now. And then you just click create. So after a while, given the fact that your Bitcoin wallet has some balance, okay, it will transfer these funds to your Lightning Network. So as you can see, the transfer will take some time in order to be confirmed, and then you will have some Satoshi on your Lightning Network. Mention that here in the Lightning Network you can see that the base currency is Satoshi. Why is that? Because it allows microtransactions, and this is the base currency. So if I go to my previous examples here, you can see some transactions that have been done. I have transferred here. I've moved some funds from my other wallets, for example from Exodus or from Coinomi, from whatever exchange. So you can use any wallet or Coinbase, for example, to load your Bitcoin HD wallet, and then you can click the manage funds, and from this wallet here, as I told you before, manage funds, and then you can refill the balance from whatever wallet is filled with Bitcoin. So in my example here, I have already done the transfer. So I have 39,000 Satoshi. And what you have to do next is, for example, you can have an address where you can send to. So if you click send, you can put here the Lightning Network address. And after that, you can click pay. So this allows us to do micropayments, like for example, you go to the grocery store and you just want to pay $1, or let's say $50, or any small amount, and the actual store provides you with an invoice which you can paste here, or you can scan it from here, and you can click pay. So the transactions are lightning fast. It's like the name of the Lightning Network. The transactions go through in like 1 or 2, maybe 10 seconds. So this has done things much easier for microtransactions to go through. The fees are ridiculously low, so you can use Lightning Network to do microtransactions and have reduced fees and lightning speed during your transactions. Thank you for watching this video.